welcome back to the channel. So, after spending more time with the Tuareg 660, a few things really stand out to me. First, Aprilia absolutely nailed the Euro 5 Plus tuning. Whatever flat spot the earlier Euro 5 bikes were known for, I honestly can't feel it on this one. The power delivery is smooth, predictable, and just pulls cleanly throughout the rev range. Second, the sound. The bike comes alive with nothing more than a Zard Slip-On, even with the catalytic converter still in place. It has a deep, aggressive tone without being over the top. And if you haven't added the optional Quick Shifter yet, I highly recommend it. It makes spirited riding even more fun. Although, I have to admit, a perfectly timed throttle blip and manual downshift is still incredibly satisfying. In the next video, we are going after two of the biggest remaining annoyances, the windshield and the turn signals. Hopefully, we have finally found a permanent solution, so stay tuned. And as always, don't resist the twist, and lean is the way. Bye!